Hi, I'm Brad, president of Beijing Hongdee Corporation. We've been dealing with ophthalmic equipment for 15 years, and today I would like to give you a brief tour of our workshop for the manual phoropters.
Hi, it's Joanna. The main parts are all made in the CNC machining center. The precision is pretty high. It minimizes the machining error. Each part has a traceable mark, which enhances the in-process control. It secures the overall quality of the whole phoropter.
Okay, this is Leah with Hongdee Corporation. Today I want to introduce our factory for everyone. Hi, Qian Qian.
Hi, I'm Qian Qian, in charge of assembly guild. I work here for 6 years.
Yeah, in fact, 15% workers have been work over 10 years. It means our workers are very experienced in assembling manufacturers, which guarantee reliability. Okay, this phoropter shear is adapted to electrostatic spirit plastics, making the surface very smooth and very nice looking.
Our daily production capacity of phoropter is 30 units. Monthly production is about 1,000 units. Normally, for small quantity, lead time will be just for several days.
By now, I think you already have a better understanding about the overall production technique of our phoropters. And actually, they have been exported to 65 countries worldwide, and all of our customers have been pretty impressed about the overall function and the qualities. And we also provide OEM services to several well-known manufacturers in this industry by customizing their logo and brand. And we will continue to work really hard to provide you the highest quality product and excellent services. And we look forward to working with you more in the near future for the sake of mutual benefits.